Tell me about how was your paper?
It was quite easy, मतलब एवरेज था और फिर ज़्यादा लेंथी भी नहीं था. 40 मिनट्स बचे थे लास्ट में.
लास्ट के 40 मिनट बच गए थे. बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थी. सेक्शन ए भी ज़्यादा लेंथी नहीं था. ऐसे देखने जाए तो सेक्शन ए जो था वो तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इजी था. आधे घंटे और देखने जाए तो मैक्सिमम 1 घंटे में हो जाता. वो इतना इजी था.
What about माइक्रो पार्ट?
माइक्रो तो बहुत इजी था. मेरा तो 1.5 घंटे में कंप्लीट हो गया, 1.5 आवर में. उसके बाद है ना मैक्रो थोड़ा सा लेंथी था, मुझे ऐसा लगा, मतलब क्योंकि थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग था. उसके बाद उसके अंदर मेरे को 15 मिनट्स मिले थे जिसको मतलब मैं पूरा कवर अप कर सकूँ, इसीलिए. बाकी ओवरऑल इजी था.
नेशनल इनकम रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चन हाउ इट वाज?
बहुत ज़्यादा एवरेज था. जितना सोचा था उससे काफ़ी ईजी था.
बस एक माइक्रो में एक सम था जो प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी के वजह से प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी का था, वो थोड़ा लगा टिपिकल था. बाकी उसमें थोड़ा टाइम गया, बाकी तो सब सही था.
एंड एनी अदर सम वाज आस्क्ड लाइक कॉस्ट रेवेन्यू?
हाँ, एक उसके कॉस्ट रेवेन्यू के ऊपर क्वेश्चन नहीं आए थे. उसके ऊपर ट्रू और फॉल्स आए थे. और प्रोडक्टिविटी के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन आया था कि वेरिएबल फैक्टर क्यों अच्छा होता है. इजी था वैसे. हाँ,
2-4 डायग्राम पूछे थे.
डायग्राम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन वाज देयर?
रिलेटेड थे. बोला था कि समझाओ, डायग्राम से समझाओ.
इंडिफरेंस कर्व के लिए.
हाँ, इंडिफरेंस कर्व था. इजी था मतलब.
Any case study type of question was there?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था.
केस स्टडी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन
नहीं था.
All questions were direct questions?
Yes.
Have you find any difficulty?
No. एवरेज.
मतलब इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं था. माइक्रो थोड़ा सा था कंफ्यूजिंग, ऐसा लगा. हाँ, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन बिकॉज मैं एवरेज पर्सन हूँ, इसीलिए.
वैल्यू बेस्ड एक था.
अच्छा.
हाँ, एक ही था.
Tell me how was your paper?
It was okay because micro was more easy than macro. It was not good for me.
You have completed the paper on time?
Yes, it was completed on time. It was not very lengthy.
All the sums were asked, you have completed it?
Yes, I completed it.
Any difficulty you have find in calculation?
Not in a calculation, but in some questions which considers from in a macro. Macro was I didn't learn, and my preparation was not very well in a macro. That's why I found very difficulty in macro, but paper was quite easy. It was not too much lengthy and too much hard. It was good.
Okay. How was your paper?
It was good, and I attempted it well, and it was a easy paper, not hard, and not a lengthy paper, and I have attempted all the questions, and for me it was the best paper.
Okay. Any diagram related question was there?
Yes, sir. All diagram. Many questions were of diagram related, and I have completed that all.
Have you find any question which is complicated or you are not understanding the question?
No, sir. It was not that
Confusing. All the questions were direct questions.
Direct questions.
What about you?
My paper was also good, and I have also prepared well as for micro and macro. The paper was average, and it is not time consuming paper. I have completed my paper before 20 minutes of the exam time over, and paper was quite easy. All the sums were not so hard, and numericals were also average as well.
So you have done all the paper very nicely?
Yes.
Okay. कैसा था पेपर?
I think the paper was like quite easy. In terms of like time, I can say it was very bit not lengthy, and actually there was some like typology of thinking questions, but they were very easy, and all options were too damn easy. And numericals part, we were so like relieved from the numerical part because we were exempted from that. There we were having options with numerical part, and we can say 1 mark question, they were also not so like typical, and it was easy. And overall economics paper, as we have expected, it was quite good.
Any confusing question is there?
Actually there were confusing questions in like 4 mark and 3 mark, but if we have learned the book NCERT, we can easily attempt all the questions.
Tell me about your paper. How was paper?
The paper was so easy as we can think, and it was less time consuming, not difficult.
What about you?
Sir, paper was easy. As I was expecting that it will be hard, but it was so easy. And before 25 to 20 minutes, we have just completed our economics paper.
All right. How was the question regarding national income?
Sir, the sums was so somehow difficult, but I will attend the optional question.
Tell me, how was paper?
Paper was quite easy. Micro section is easy and macro is difficult.
You have time consuming it was?
No.
Do you feel any shortage of time?
No.
You have attempted all the questions?
Yes.
So overall, how was your paper?
Quite easy.
Fine and easy?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, how was paper?
It was quite easy and it was like average, but time पे खत्म हो गया था, इतना lengthy नहीं था, अच्छा था paper.
Have you find any difficulty in attempting any question?
No. Almost no.
All the diagram, calculation, everything was nice?
Yeah.
What about you?
Yes, the paper was easy, but little bit it was lengthy paper, and some questions was tricky questions.
Okay.
So some difficulties I face in that some questions like that.
Overall, how was your paper?
It was better. Means more than expectation.
Okay. What about you?
I faced problem in some, and paper was, in theory it was easy, and some was quite difficult, so I faced problem in some. Last sum was too difficult.
Okay, have you find any difficulty in any question that you are not understanding the question, confusing part any?
Not every, but last question was difficult, that I don't understand.
So overall, how was your paper?
Overall was good.
Okay.